Good morning, my precious grade 2s. I'm redoing this video because my silly microphone didn't work in the last one. So let's have a look if this works. This week for our additional concept, we are doing repeated addition. Now it's quite a big word, but it's actually quite simple. So let's break it down and see what repeated addition is all about. So if we look at the word repeated addition and we look at what repeated means, when something is repeated, it means it is done again and again. So the same thing happens over and over. And addition is the word we use when we add numbers together. So if we put it together, it's when numbers that are the same, it's numbers that are the same that we add up. So the same numbers are repeated and then we add them up. So let's put this into practice. Let's have a look. Can you see over here, I have 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6. And similarly over here, I have 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. Let's have a look. 3 plus 3 is 6. And if I add another 3, I get 9. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. And if we look at the bottom here, my many ones, I have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That's quite a mouthful. Sure, let's see. I have 1 plus 1, which is 2, plus 1, which is 3, plus 1, which is 4, plus 1, which is 5. So you guys are good. Well done. That was quite a mouthful though, all those ones. I want you to see that maths is cool, it's fun, and we can even use pictures when doing maths. Let's have a look what I mean. So I've got an array, which means pictures put into order, like my circles over here, and Miss Smith has chosen to group them into groups of 2. So in my first, I have a group of 2. So I have 3 groups. Can you see that I've made 3 circles? And there's 2 in each group. So I say 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 6. And there's 3 groups of 2. Then over here, I have 2 groups in my 2 red circles. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 stars in each group. So I have 2 groups of 4. And if I add it up, I have 4 in this group and 4 in that group. And that is 4 plus 4, which is 8. But some of you may have noticed a pattern. Let's have a look. If I say 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6, do you notice that 2 times 3 equals 6? So when I say that something is repeated, it leads to multiplication, boys and girls, and you've all been doing your multiples. So this is going to be quite fun and easy for you. So let's have a look. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. Same as if I had to count in 2s. 2, 4, 6. Do you see that the 2 is repeated 3 times? And that gives me 6. So we say 2 times 3, because 2 is repeated 3 times. So this is where we see that addition and multiplication actually link together. Let's have a look over here. We have 3 plus 3 plus 3. Let's count in 3s. 3, 6, 9. Do you see that? So 3 times 3 is 9. And when we count 3 times in 3s, adding 3 each time, we get 9. Same as over here. Now, this is the same ones we used earlier. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 5. So we say 1 is repeated 5 times. So 1 times 5 equals 5. So repeated addition is very similar, and it links to multiplication. When there is a sum, like 2 plus 2 plus 2, like we've done, it is like saying 3 groups of 2, because the 2 is repeated 3 times. So we are adding 2 3 times, just like when we are counting in 2s. So now we are going to have to practice, boys and girls. so that we can become masters at repeated addition. So let's go over it again. When we are working out repeated addition, we look at the number that is being repeated. So like in my example here in my brackets, I have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So we see that we are counting in threes because that is the number being repeated. Then we look and see how many times it's being repeated. And we see that it's being repeated 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So we say 4 because it's being repeated 4 times the number is 3. So we're counting in threes 4 times to get our answer. That should make it easy so that you don't have to keep going. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus another 3 is 12. I'm giving you a trick to work it out easily. And so we see that the 3 is being repeated 4 times, but we put the number 4 first because that's how many times it's being repeated. So we say 4 groups, which is the times 3, because it's 4 times that we are repeating number 3. So that equals 12. Let's have a look at our other example that I have here. I have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now Miss Smith sounds like a broken record. So let's have a look at an easier way. Instead of going 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and sounding a little bit crazy, how we can make this easy. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times that our 2's are being repeated. So we put our 7 and we say 7 times, our 2's are being repeated 7 times. So 7 times 2. And you are masters at your 2 times table, so you will see that the answer is 14. And there's 2 ways we can write it. We can either say 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which eventually we find out is 14, or we can say 7 times 2, because we are repeating 2's 7 times. So I'm going to give you some examples. I've done the first one for you and I'm going to go through it with you. Then when I'm done, you're going to pause and do it by yourself, and then we will check it together. So let's have a look. Right over here we have 3 plus 3 plus 3, and you now know that when we are adding the number, we say 3 is repeated 3 times. So 3 plus 3 is 6, plus another 3 is 9, or 3 times 3, because 3 is being repeated 3 times, and it's 9. So boys and girls, for this one where it says 4 plus 4, I want you to put the answer like I've done in the green here. So you'll say 4 plus 4 equals 8. Then I want you to say, or 4 times, how many times, or 2, how many times is 4 being repeated? Twice. So you'll say 2 times 4. Do you see that? Equals 8. Now I want you to do this by yourself. So pause the video. Okay, so you would have paused your video, and I paused for a bit to make sure you didn't carry on. Now we're going to check our answers together. So this was the first one that we did together. And I explained this next one to you too. So we said 4 plus 4 equals 8, or 2 times 4. Boys and girls, if you haven't finished, please go back and finish all the sums before checking your answers, because this will help you in understanding the work, okay? So this is only once you have finished answering all the questions. Then we go over here, boys and girls, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many times is 2 being added? Well done. It's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we add, we say 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. Or we said it's being repeated 4 times, so 4 times 2 equals 8. Similarly with our 5s, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals, if we count in 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, because we're adding 5 each time, just like in our multiples. Or you say 5 is being repeated 5 times. So 5 times 5 equals 25. Right, I would like you to quickly check the rest of those, and so you might need to pause the video, and then I'm going to show you our activity for this week. Okay, boys and girls, so this is our repeated addition activity for the week. And just like we've done there, it's a little bit different, it's backwards. So the first one says 2 times 5. And if you read the instructions, it says shade the correct number of boxes that need to be added together. Write out the repeated addition. The first one is done for you. 2 times 5. So it's saying that you need to color in 5 twice because we want to add it twice. So 2 times 5. And then you will put it out in expanded form. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Let's do the next one together. 2 times 10. So how many times are you going to color in the tens? You're going to color in 2 groups of tens. And then, so you'll color in these 2. And then over here you'll say 10 plus 10 equals 20. Well done, boys and girls.